Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm sorry that I haven't done a garage door opener video in a long time. We're looking today at an old Chamberlain half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. We better make sure that the opener is working properly. Here we go. Kind of squeaks. Now let's close the garage door. You need to hold the button down in order to close the garage door. They just got a new light bulb, and I know the springs. I know there's springs right there. Kind of squeaks a little bit. Now let's open the garage door one more time. It's still working fine. It's not that loud even. Very nice, it's a very nice garage door opener. Okay. Now let's close the garage door in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.